Hey guys, it's David from New Guys Tech, and today we have a MSI B550 gaming carbon Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so let's see what's in the box here. We'll get to the motherboard in a bit. So we got some accessories. This is like a sensor cable here. M.2 screws, I'm assuming. This is ARGB header. Some SATA cables, Wi-Fi antennas, and a manual. Some more accessories, some brochures, a little MSI badge here. Oh, nice, a coaster. We could use that. Some stickers. These are like probably cable management stickers. I'm not sure what these are. More products. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's go check out the motherboard. Use my one-hand unboxing. Okay, so it comes in a static, anti-static bag here. Alright, here we go. So this is the AM4 socket. It's got some AM4 brackets here. Vrm Heatsinks. They're pretty beefy heatsinks here. 8+4 CPU connectors here, so extra power, extra supplemental power. 4 DIMM slots. 24 pin connector. USB Gen C header there. NVMe M.2 PCI Gen 4 slot here. This slot's Gen 3. This is Gen 4. The chipset heatsink here with some carbon overlay and dragon here looks really nice. PCI Gen 4 by 16 slot for your GPUs. This is a 8 slot, and then we got USB 3.0 header, 2 USB 2 headers, audio headphone jack, audio front facing audio here. This is your this here is your front power connectors and stuff, so you got power reset and all that good stuff over here, power LEDs. Yeah, this is pretty much it. The solid board for your AMD CPUs. Let's check the rear IO. You got HDMI display port. You got 4 USB 2.0s. You got 3 USB 3.0s. There's a 10 gig speed here. You got USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, and then you got the audio outs here. So yeah, pretty solid board. Very good for just the standard budget gaming motherboard. Also, RGB comes out of here, and I think it comes out of here somewhere as well, if I remember. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.